guys, Rochelle here with another recipe for your zesty life. Today I want to talk about being in nature. It can be really hard to slow down in our fast-paced world today, but taking a little bit of time out for yourself in the woods can actually reduce anxiety and stress and make you healthier overall.
In Japan, it's common to use nature as a way of healing. They practice what's called Shinrin-yoku, which roughly translates to forest bathing. The idea is that spending time in nature allows you to experience rejuvenating benefits to the mind, body, and spirit. We've all experienced the calming effect of being in nature, and that's what forest bathing allows you to tap into on a regular basis. It's about leaving your devices at home and tuning into the smells, textures, sights, and sounds of the forest. Let your body be the guide. Listen to where it wants to take you and take your time. There's a growing body of evidence that suggests by inhaling essential oils from plants, you take in phytochemicals that have been shown to reduce stress hormones, reduce inflammation, and increase immunity cells. Having a healthy mind is part of being your best self, which is why forest bathing is a recipe for living a zesty life.
Thanks for watching this clip about forest bathing, and for more mindfulness exercises and recipes for your zesty life, check out my book at zestylife.ca.